YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Strap TG back at it again today. Right now we're here in T, South Dakota, right off of I-29 at exit 73 at the Cassie's truck stop. So, I don't know if you guys can see in the background, my truck is about to be towed, guys. My DEF system is acting up, guys. So, we've been parked from yesterday. We had to get another team to come out and take the load that we have. My truck cannot go over 5 miles an hour, guys. The DEF system is acting up. I don't know what's going on. I have every bells and whistles up on my truck. But it's all good, guys. We're going down to Sioux City, maybe about an hour drive down. We're just south of Sioux Falls in South Dakota. Don't know how long it's gonna take. We were told that they should be able to get us in by Monday or Tuesday. Today is Saturday. Hold on, am I mistaken? Today's Friday. Today is Friday. They said they'll be able to take us in about Monday, Tuesday. So we're gonna get down there. I'm gonna see what's up. I'm gonna be booking a hotel. If it's gonna be taking longer, I'm just gonna be catching a flight home. We're gonna see what's going on, but it's all good, guys. As you can see, it's fully white outside. It was snowing last night. Gotta love the winter, guys. But we all good. Everything's good. Gonna see what's going on and just gonna take it as it come, guys. But we here, we at it, we trucking, guys. YouTube, what's going on, guys? We on the road right now. We are in the tow truck heading down to Sioux City. What's the name of that? I-State. Yeah. So once we get there, we're gonna check in, see what's going on. As I said, I'm gonna be booking a hotel, and depends on how long they're gonna be taking to get the truck fixed. I'm just gonna be hitching a flight home. All right. So I'll keep you guys posted. Out. Guys, so we just arrived at the dealership, just checked in. They said the earliest they can get our truck in is going to be between Monday and Tuesday. So we're going to be getting a hotel, seeing what's going on, and then we're going to be taking it from there. Just backed in, unhooking. That's what's up, guys. I'm going to check the flights, see what's going on. The lady said I could check back around tomorrow to see if they're gonna take the truck in any earlier, and go from there. So if they are gonna be taking the truck earlier and can get everything situated, then I won't have to catch a flight home and then have to fly back. So we're gonna see what happens. I'll let you guys know. Hey guys, so we at the hotel, just checked in. I'm here, just got my computer set up, so I'm gonna see if I can jump online and see if I can book a flight to go home. Hopefully I can get something for this evening. So hopefully I can book a flight, take a shower, and then just catch a Uber and head out. We got a PS5 here for my boys. I missed their birthdays this month and was planning on just doing a whole bunch of stuff for them when I got home next month, but seeing that I'm looking to go home right now, I'm just gonna bring it. So I'm gonna check online, see what's up, and then be out. If not, then I'm just gonna be chilling here in the hotel for the next couple of days. But let's see what's going on. All right, guys, so nothing worked out like I wanted it to. We're in Sioux City, Iowa. Was trying to book a flight from here to go home, and these flights are crazy expensive. It's like, I think the cheapest one I saw was like $1,200, which is the craziest thing, man. And anything cheaper than that is actually gonna be leaving on the 2nd of January, which will kind of defeat the purpose because the truck will be finished working on about the 2nd or the 3rd. So right now, I'm just thinking I'm just gonna be chilling over here for a while, finding some stuff to do. I got a whole bunch of spreadsheets and stuff. I'm gonna get done my yearly expense sheets, profit and loss statements, and all of those stuff. So I'm gonna take all night tonight to get all of those expenses done and sent out to my accountant, so my CPAs, so we can get everything done. I guess that's it, guys. I guess I'm just gonna kill the vlog right here for today, and just keep you guys updated on tomorrow. All right. Thanks for joining, guys.